if you were a member of my Telegram group, you would have 4x your money by the time of recording. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. Okay, so this is a meme token project I want to talk about. Um, so this is very high risk. So um, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Especially with meme projects, they can go really like high very quickly, very low. Before I show you the project, I must say that I did invest in a separate crypto today as soon as it launched, and it just tanked. And so that can happen. You can lose your money very quickly. But this meme project is very good. Simply because it has the "this is fine" meme. So with the dog sitting on the chair in his like kitchen, and the house is on fire, and just sitting there going, "Oh, this is fine. This is fine." um, yeah. So I posted this in my Telegram group on the 2nd of February. Unfortunately, not here at this low. I bought in about here, and then it's just gone up since. Well, actually, I bought in here, and I wasn't quite sure if I did buy because I used Jupiter swap to buy it. Yeah, so I bought some here, and then I kind of topped up the following day, maybe about there. So I kind of like I was thinking, oh, kind of breaking even. Let me just top up. And then I held, and at the time of recording, I don't own this anymore. So if it goes up, it's something I'm prepared to I'm prepared to just not really cry about it. Really, the good thing is that I made projects on here. I made some money from it. If you do think it will continue up, you can get this from Radium. So this is on the Solana chain, so you will need Solana to buy it, or you can also use Jupiter as well. So as I said, I used Jupiter. I bought Solana. I sent it. I was using the Soulflare wallet, so you need a MetaMask for that. Soulflare is it's a snap to MetaMask, and then I went on to Jupiter. Used the swap function, so it interacts with the MetaMask and Soulflare, and then you can swap your Solana for Doginphire. It's a bit of a multi-step process, but that was the process that I used, and I think it would be quite similar on Radium as well. So if I just go on to the actual website here, so they have a Twitter, they have a Telegram, but this is just all hype meme um, on here. So it's like this is to buy, this is chart, this is fine. Um, and for those people who do know, like who kind of look on the meme side, I do, but I don't really like. I try not to post too many meme projects on this channel, at least now. Even though my channel is going to be medium to high risk, I don't want to be known as only the meme person on here. I do like gaming. I do like artificial intelligence projects on there. But since this is new, and since I actually made a successful call to the group, I just wanted to share this as well. One of my former colleagues, she invested in dog with hat, literally DOGWIFHAT, and that has gone down. It's kind of I think it's recovering now at the time of recording, but here it seems to be like a new jumping on the bandwagon of dog with hat. So it's dog in with hat in fire. So I've not seen this um, on there. So this could be like the next. I mean, well, actually, maybe that's what it is here. But this is the chart. But there's always going to be kind of like similar projects as well. So what I'd like to say is that if you don't if you think it's too late because of the chart has gone up, quite a bit. There'll always be kind of like similar projects. So you can always check on here similar coins as well. Okay, maybe that's not the best example, but if you go onto like the meme section or you go onto kind of like dog related memes, you could have a look there. That might be something to look at. Um, so I would also like to point out that it is my birthday tomorrow. So I won't be posting. I probably won't be active on Twitter. So do follow me on Twitter when you can. My Twitter it should be linked in the description below. ALTBAE 2023. Um, and that's just something where I kind of like interact with the community. I listen to spaces, try to get more information on that or on anything to do with crypto. I will never directly message you about crypto first, but you're welcome to directly message me if you wish. I'm also starting a coffee. I wasn't quite sure to go to the Patreon route or coffee, so I'm just trying coffee now. Um, if you ever want to support me one time, since I say this is my birthday, give me a bit of birthday money. You can chip in there. And I will be doing like shout outs in videos as well to those. And then I'm going to work out how to improve my Telegram community where I could make it interactive. At the moment, I just kind of post about the crypto that I'm personally buying, and others can decide to buy it if they crypto projects if they want to buy it or not. I'll put it in there. So there's all going to be different tiers on there. Uh, well, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I'm going to be a year older, hopefully a year wiser, and I'll be posting more content and doing more research in crypto to find the life changing altcoins before anyone else. Cheers.